What's up everyone, Jason here, and I'm back with another Trackday video, this time featuring Palmer Motorsports Park out in Palmer, Massachusetts. This track first opened up back in May of 2015, and the last time I was actually able to ride it was May of 2017, so it's actually been quite a while. Fortunately enough, I was able to ride this over the 4th of July weekend with CycleSmith Trackday up here in the Northeast. And a little bit about the track: it's a 2.3 mile road course that can be ran in either direction with 14 turns and about 510 feet of elevation change. That makes it one of the biggest elevation changes at a track we do have here in the Northeast. One thing I really enjoy about the track is where it's located. It's situated high up in the hills overlooking the local town, so in the mornings you can see the clouds roll in, and when the sun comes out you can see them all dissipate, and it's just a gorgeous looking track. A lot of the corners are double apexes or late apexes, so it's very crucial to link the corners back to back here if you want to have a chance at a good lap time. My favorite corners on this has to be the downhill turn 7 and then the 11 and 12, both left-handers. 11 and 12 is a very long left one, so you can really get off the bike and accentuate your body positioning. And it's another great thing about this track is that it's fast and flowing, and so it makes it a perfect stomping ground for you to train and practice body positioning and getting that dialed in. The only caveat I have is how close the walls are and how little runoff there is, because it is mainly a car track and a motorcycle track secondary, so it's just a little bit of the little nuances here, but it's a fun place. I really enjoy riding it. It's easy on the tires, there's plenty of grips. But without further ado, yeah, you can just check out this session and try not to make fun of me blowing a lot of the aplexes.